Hi, my name is Mike. Thanks for having a look at my video. We have a quick look at what the North Perimeter of Winnipeg looks like from the sky. Not sure what I find so fascinating about clover leaves. I find it just mesmerizing and hypnotic with the cars going round and round, particularly when you're able to shoot it from the sky. So it was late March, and I decided to take to the sky with it. It was like one of the very first nice days. So I decided to have a peek at what it would look like, a North Perimeter clover leaf. Quick tech dump. DJI Osmo Action is my vlogging rig that I'm using. I certainly have better, but this is super nice and convenient. I've got it set up with an Indy 32 filter so that I can keep the shutter speed down, shooting at 2.7K, 24 frames per second, using a Rode Video Micro microphone with the dead cat, as it's referred to, because it's windy out. I'm sure you can tell. Using the Sinova microphone adapter, and the camera's in a high-tech case with some cold mounts on it. I shot the video footage, the drone footage with the DJI Mavic Mini, shot it at 2.7K at 30 frames per second and slowed it down to 24 frames per second. But that's enough of that. Thanks so much. People always ask me what did you shoot? What did you use this with? So there you go. Thanks for having a look. I hope you enjoy the footage, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.